Mastering multiple choice questions in the FCE Listening Test. Hey learners! Today, we're diving deep into the B2 First FCE Listening Test. One challenging part for many is the multiple choice questions section. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident and well-equipped to tackle them. Let's get started. Before diving into strategies, it's vital to understand the format. In the multiple choice section, you'll hear a recording and be given a set of questions. Each question will have 3 options: A, B, or C, but only one is correct. Remember, the recording will be played twice. The questions will be in the same order as the information you hear. Here are some typical challenges students face. 1. Distractions. There might be other bits of information that can confuse you. 2. Paraphrasing. The exact words you hear might not appear in the options. Instead, they'll be rephrased. It's essential to train your ears to pick up on keywords and their synonyms. 1. Predict the answer. Before the recording starts, read the question and try to guess what kind of information you're listening for. Is it a date, a name, an opinion, or something else? 2. Keyword highlighting. As you read the question, mentally note or circle keywords. This will help you latch onto them when you hear them during the recording. 3. Eliminate the wrong answers. Sometimes it's easier to find the 2 incorrect answers first. By eliminating them, you narrow down your choices. 4. Don't dwell. If you miss an answer, move on. Remember, you'll hear the recording again. The key to success in any language test is practice. Create a study schedule that allows you to listen to a variety of English accents and topics. Practice with real FCE test materials. Review your answers and understand your mistakes. There you have it. With understanding, strategy, and consistent practice, the multiple choice questions of the FCE listening test will become much more manageable. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, every mistake is a learning opportunity. Best of luck on your FCE journey.